Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today I'm going to show you another great block from Tenlees Puzzle. It's located right here on the quilt. It is made of half square triangles and flying geese, but they have a little different twist. You use the same technique that we did in the other videos on your half square triangles and your flying geese, but the little difference is this. Traditional half square triangle are dark and are light. On this one, we're going to create a pinwheel for the center, in which theoretically we call this our dark, or at least I did there, and we're going to alternate it with two of the mediums and two of the lights. So when you go to do this particular one, you'll have one of the green with one blue, one green with one light, because it'll make two half square triangles. And then once you have them together, sew them like you would a 4-patch into your beautiful pinwheel. Now on the flying geese, it's going to be reverse colors of what we normally do. Normally, the larger triangle is our dark, and the smaller triangles are a background or a light. On this particular one, you'll make two of each setup. One setup, you will have the blue on one side with the light on what is my left, and on the next two that you'll do, you'll have the light on the right hand side and the blue on the left. So once we have all of our pieces done, we can put them together. As you can see, I started here, and let me see if I can remember, if I remember right. This will have kind of a different angle, because what we want to do is we want to create this into a diamond. This one will become a diamond also. So when we add our pieces, if I can add them right, there we go. So now I've created a blue diamond there. And then at the bottom, another one of our light diamonds. So it creates kind of a secondary design when we lay it out. And then of course our half square triangle in the corner to finish out our design. So this is the way it looks with one of the fabrics as we're using, which is a great design. And back again, here's what it looks like when we use our lavender and blue design. Another great block that you can do. It'll stand alone. Very simple, using the two techniques we've already done, half square triangle and flying geese. So with that, our pattern is available. Check out all our information at the end of the video, at the bottom of the video where the video is posted. Click the thank you button. And we want to thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction.